All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do use all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new inflatable twin mattress. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. We'll even try it outside, so if you guys are camping or anything like that, I want to make sure it holds up. As you can see, comes in this nice carrying bag. Go and open it up. Okay, let's go and take it out. Comes with some extra patches and user manual. Perfect. So you can see it does come with everything already pre-built in. Open this up. It's got your power cable right here. You're not gonna need a pump or anything. It's just gonna be good to go. So let's go and actually hook it up right here and actually try it out. Oh, just like that, it is ready. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. This is the twin one. They do have other sizes as well. This one is more for maybe a one person. Nice, good quality. It's up here. I like it. And it does have a deflate option, and then just unhook that right there. As you can see, did not take long at all to inflate this one. All right, as we try out the air mattress, there's a few things I did want to say. It's 13 inches tall, so you're not on the floor for guest camping or just extra sleeping space. That makes it feel way more as close to a real bed. It has a built-in electric pump, so you're not hunting for a separate pump or trying to blow it up by hand. You plug it in, it fills up as you saw. It inflated way under 3 minutes, and it also has a deflate settings, which I'll show you here in a second. So packing it back up isn't a whole workout. The top is a soft velvetish material, so it doesn't feel like the cold plastic, and it helps keep sheets from sliding all over the place. It's just more comfortable to actually lay on. Support-wise, it's built to hold its shape better than the cheap ones that sink in the middle. Plus, the bottom is non-slip, so it's not slowly drifting across the room overnight. And the other thing people don't think about until they sleep on one of this is the noise. Some air mattresses are loud and crinkly every time you move. This one's supposed to be more stable and quieter when you shift around. When me and my wife lay on it with my pups, it feels pretty sturdy. It doesn't turn into this annoying seesaw feeling where one person moves and the other person bounces. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new air mattress, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all could get yours.